How to change preferred audio language. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to language and location. In language and location, you can see here the preferred audio language. Now you can set the default audio output language for the type of digital broadcast content that you are viewing. And the preferred audio language is set into English. So you can change this by go to preferred audio language and you can see the option. So you can change the preferred audio language into English, Spanish, Portuguese, or simplified Chinese. So for my example, I changed the preferred audio language into Spanish. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed. So if you want back to English, so just select English. Okay guys, we have successfully changed the preferred audio language on Devant Smart TV.